Yogi Snack. Today we're going to talk about our inner thighs. These muscles right here that help us create strength in our poses, especially warrior two, standing poses, chair poses. So warrior two, for example, we talked about this in a previous Yogi Snack. Check that one out. My feet, going to do the connection that I talked about in a previous Yogi Snack. Check that one out. As I draw my energy up through the arches, so remember when I talked about the feet and drawing the energy up through the arches. So my back foot doesn't want to collapse, it wants to connect strongly through the outer edge, and I've got my triangle connection, and I can draw up through the arches of the feet. As I do that, I can feel my inner thighs engaging, my glutes engaging. I'm nice and centered. And really, in order to keep that knee in place, especially as I start to do things that might change the position of my hips unintentionally, I need to harness my inner thigh muscles. And I'm thinking about rolling them up and over like a big rainbow. So this inner thigh muscle, I'm rolling it up and over. Not only do I get the benefits of a lovely strong inner thigh, and I've created some quite good muscle right here, but I get the benefits of my glutes engaging as well. Now my back arch as well, I don't forget that one. I don't want to lock the knee. I've got a little micro bend in there, and as I draw up and energize my knees up, and I energize through that inner thigh, my hips, my thighs, my stance stays nice and open. No matter what I do with my body, I'm nice and stable the whole way through. It's the same if I'm in my triangle pose. I'm thinking about drawing up through those inner arches and my inner thighs, and I keep a little softness in my knee so that I'm nice and strong. It's the same as if I was in my chair pose. I'm hugging up through the inner thighs, and I'm spiraling those inner thighs up and in, and I can slide my hips back and keep my knees in a comfortable position, and I'm strong because I've activated up through the inner thighs. And as I do that, I draw all of that energy up from the earth, from the feet, from the earth, from my inner thighs to my core, and it lengthens me and it strengthens me and it gives me lightness in my pose. So chew on that one.